Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Miss Training and all my beloved friends. After watching that video, I have question for you guys. Have you ever feel tired after a long day of study or working, but your house is still messy and needs to be cleaned? It must feel exhausting, right? Now, imagine if there is a tool that can clean your house automatically. This is the amazing benefit of robot vacuum cleaner, a modern technology that can help people keep their homes clean without using much energy. However, this tool is still not very popular in Indonesia because the price is quite high, around 4.9 to 17 million rupiah. Before, in fact, if people understood that long-term benefit, this robot could be very effective solution. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Natasya, number 21, and today I will to explain why I support the use of robot vacuum cleaner as a helpful technology in our modern life. The first reason is that robot vacuum cleaners save time and energy. Nowadays, people very busy with many activities like exercise, study, or working. Based on the review of Tax Radar 2023, the use of rubber vacuum cleaner save up to 13% of 13% of cleaning time compared to manual sweeping because they can work automatically without supervision. The second reason is that rubber vacuum cleaner is smart and effective solution. An effective technology, an efficient technology. He had sensor to detect dust and avoid obstacles, and it can even be controlled through smartphone application. Based on the review of Tech Radar 2023, robot vacuum cleaner can be scheduled to clean specific area at certain times. The third reason is that robot vacuum cleaner help maintain cleanliness and family health. Dust on the floor could be allergies and breathing problems. According to Headline 2022, using a robot vacuum cleaner regularly can using a robot vacuum cleaner regularly can reduce the risk of dust allergies to up to 14%, especially from children or people with asthma. From these three reasons, we can conclude that a robot vacuum cleaner is more than just cleaning tool. It is a thing of modern innovation that can help people live more efficiently, healthily, and freely. Let's use the robot vacuum cleaner technology wisely so that can bring benefit in our daily life. That's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.